PINKFONG. PINKFONG.
Tippie, the dump truck.
I am so bored,
Says Tippie as he restlessly twists and turns.
Tippie, do you want to go out with me today?
I sure do, Dad.
Tippie follows his dad. He is so excited.
Move! Get out of the way, you slowpoke!
Oh, man. Now I have mud all over me. If I weren't so heavy, I could beat him.
Complains Tippie as he shakes off the mud. As Big Tipper and Tippie arrive in the forest, they come upon a rabbit family struggling with logs.
There was so much rain last night that our roof and playground got blown away.
Please, let me help you. Put the logs on my truck.
Oh, thank you so much.
Big Tipper moves all of the logs for the rabbit family. As Big Tipper and Tippie arrive at the foot of a mountain, roads are blocked, and everyone is busy trying to move the dirt.
There was a landslide last night from all of the rain.
Please, let me help you. Put the dirt on my truck. I'll move it to a safe place.
Oh, thank you so much.
As the two trucks make it over the hill, they hear cries.
Help! Please help us!
Tippie and his dad rush down to the base of the mountain.
Help us, please, someone! The bridge is about to collapse.
Please, step aside and let me help you.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're so cool, Dad. I want to be just like you one day and help people. Now who can I help? Oh, the bunnies!
So Tippie goes to the home of the rabbits. 1 load, 2 loads. He moved all of the sand and dirt for them.
There it is, the last load. Woohoo! It's all done!
The bunnies were having so much fun playing on the slide that Tippie had made for them.
I did something good today, Dad.
I'm really proud of you, Tippie.
Laughed Tippie and his dad.
I'm late because of you. Go on. At least open the window.
Henry, completely startled, opens the window.